Good morning, class. We're almost a good afternoon. Um, Welcome to week 7. I want to congratulate you all on completing 6 weeks and completing the exam. Um, for those of you who would like to know, your exam grades are in MyLab. Um, your discussion grades are in MyLab. So the grades you see in your grade book in MyLab should be the most up-to-date grades that are up to the minute. A little bit about the exam. I curved the exam ever so slightly because I wasn't satisfied with the mean of the class, the mean score of the class, and also I know that this material is very challenging, so I thought I'd just boost your scores ever so slightly. Um, so your raw score is not going to be the score you got in MyLab. So congratulations, you did better than you thought. There were a few of you who forgot to turn in your work, and, that's unfortunately for you and for me, because I did not get to see what you were doing, and you will not be able to turn that in. Okay, so let's talk about the next few weeks, because we've only got 2 more weeks-ish for class. So I put this nice little table together. To help me remember mostly because, I'm old and forgetful. So this week you are going to be working on sections 8A, B, and D, and section 9A. And the topics are going to be linear and exponential growth, Half-Life, no, not the video game, Half-Life, the math topic, um, decibel scale, and logarithms. Those are just some highlights from what you'll be looking at. Let's talk about, so week 7 this week's going to just go regular, your discussion posts, you do your homework. Um, pretty straightforward. Um, then in week 8, things get a little crazy. You're going to be responsible for just 2 sections in week 8, 9B and 9C. But then also you're going to have exam 3, and they're going to be over sections 4B, C, and D, 8A, B, and D, 9A, B, and C. Okay, so you're going to have an exam 3. Now, this isn't the final. This is just the 3rd exam. Now, the thing that's going to be different with this exam as opposed to the last 2 exams is this exam will be open on Monday of week 8 instead of waiting until Wednesday of the week. I'm going to open those on Monday. So that exam will be open Monday, so you'll have all of Monday to do it. Now, you only have 2 sections in the book to worry about for homework and discussion posts, so that shouldn't be a big deal. I'll probably say a little more about the discussion posts when we get to week 8, but I wanted you to kind of have a view of what's going on with the rest of the summer semester. So the exam will be open on Monday, but you don't have to finish it until Sunday at 11:55 p.m. So you're going to have the whole week to do exam 3. Now I have a week 9. Now the class is an 8-week class. Well, then there's finals. And let's talk about your final. Your final is comprehensive. So that's over the material in exams 1, 2, and 3. That's comprehensive. I am going to let you have a memory assistance sheet, or a MOS as I like to call them, formerly known as a cheat sheet, but since I'm letting you use this memory assistance sheet, you are not in fact cheating, so it is in fact not a cheat sheet. It is an 8x11 notebook paper, and you can write all over both sides. I'm going to give you more details as we get closer, but I'm going to let you know that if you would like to use your memory assistance sheet, you will have to construct it and take pictures of it and send it to me before the exam. If you have not sent it to me before the exam, you cannot use one. The final exam is going to be open on July 9th, which is the last Thursday of week 8. So that Thursday on week 8, I'm going to open up the final. Even though the exam 3 is open, I'm going to open up the final as well. And you will have from July 9th to July 19th, that's 10 days to get that final exam done. So take some during that week 9, if you want to take time to practice problems, ask me questions, get your memory assistance sheet together and send it to me so I can approve of it. That's what you're going to do in week 9. So you could turn in your final as early as Thursday, July 9th, and as late as Sunday, July 19th. Okay. I know this is a lot to think about. I'm going to put this this document in what's that thing called? ReggieNet. ReggieNet. There's Reggie. I'm going to put the document in ReggieNet for you to look at. Please contact me with your questions. Hit me up on the Remind app or send me an email. And send me any question you have. I'm looking forward to helping you. The light at the end of the tunnel is here. Week 7, week 8, and the final, and you're done. And you've completed your math class. And for many of you, you've completed the last class for graduation, or you've completed the last math class you'll ever have to take. And so after you finish, go out and celebrate. Congratulations. You have accomplished an extremely challenging task, taking an online math class in the summer. All right. I'll be sending out announcements for week 8 and the final with more details later. In the meantime, enjoy your week 7. I will catch you on the flip-flop. Talk to you later.